Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretarial practice class 12 standard. As you can see this slide, today we are on the lesson number 10. Lesson name is dividend in interest. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is related to the meaning of the interest as well as the future of the interest. Now what is the meaning of the interest? We have already know that about the dividend. Dividend is the profit given to the shareholder. So the interest is given to the creditors of the company. Creditors what? Like the debenture holder, depositor, yeah, any amount who has taken by the company from the another person. So let's read the paragraph first. In a financial term, it is the payment. It is the payment means interest is a payment made for using money from the another person. So borrowers take the money from the lender. So interest is the cost of the renting money. So whatever the company have to borrow the amount from the creditor, they have to give the interest. They have to give the amount of the profit to the creditors for the borrower, and it is the income for the lender to giving the money to the company. Now what are the features of the interest? First of all, interest क्या है? Interest is the price paid for the productive service rendered by the capital. That means this capital should be returned back by the company to the investor. Second point, it is the directly related to the risk. If company earns more, if person earns more, that time only they will give it back the interest to the investor. So it involves higher risk and higher the interest. Third point, rate of interest is expressed as annual percentage of the principal. So rate of interest given most of the time annually on their investment. Fourth point, rate of interest is determined by the various factor prices like money supply, fiscal policies, volume of borrowing, and the rate of the inflation. So all the things have to be decide the rate of interest which is already determined by the company. Fifth point, interest is charged against the profit of the company. Even if company makes no profit, interest should be paid because it is already predetermined rate of interest which is given by the company, which is fixed by the company before lending the money. Sixth point, it is payable at a fixed and the generally predetermined rate. So it is already fixed. Whenever company, whenever person, a business person borrow the amount from their creditor, they have to give the fixed rate of interest. They have to predetermine the price of the rate of interest before lending the money to the creditors. So the company have to pay interest if it has borrowed money from the creditors like the debenture holder, depositor, bond holder, and etc. So over and all, you can easily differentiate between the dividend and the interest. That means dividend given to the shareholder and the interest given to the creditors of the company. So we have completed this topic here. This was the small topic related to the lesson number 10, and we have completed the lesson number 10 also. So what is the summary of the video? Is simple. We have learned the meaning of the interest as well as we have completed the future of the interest. So remaining topic from the lesson number 11 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.